Hello everyone and welcome to Shree Radhe Studies. Today we are starting chapter 1 of Artificial Intelligence. This chapter is the foundation of AI and will help you understand what AI is, why it is important, how it evolved over time and how intelligent systems work. Whether you are preparing for exams or simply curious about AI, this chapter will give you a strong starting point. So let's begin our exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Slide 2. Definition and importance of AI. Let's first understand what artificial intelligence actually means. The word artificial means man-made and intelligence means the ability to think, learn and make decisions. AI is a technology that enables machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. Today, AI is used everywhere from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to healthcare systems that help doctors diagnose diseases. It automates repetitive tasks, analyzes large amounts of data, and supports better decision making. A simple trick to remember is AI is like a man-made brain designed to help humans solve problems efficiently. Slide 3. 4 approaches of AI. There are 4 major approaches to artificial intelligence. The first is thinking like humans, which focuses on understanding how people think and learn. The second is thinking rationally, where machines use logic to reach correct conclusions. The third is acting like humans, where machines try to behave similarly to humans, such as chatbots that carry conversations naturally. The fourth is acting rationally, where machines aim to make the best possible decision in a given situation. An important example is the Eliza chatbot, which behaved like a psychotherapist and demonstrated the idea of acting like a human. Slide 4. Applications of AI. Artificial intelligence has applications in many fields. In gaming, AI is used in chess, poker, and strategy games. In speech recognition, AI helps systems understand spoken language even with different accents and background noise. Natural language processing allows computers to understand and generate human language. Computer vision enables machines to recognize faces and objects. Expert systems such as machine assist in medical diagnosis. Robotics combines sensors and intelligent decision making to perform tasks automatically. These applications show how AI has become an important part of our daily lives. Slide 5. History of AI. The history of AI is fascinating. The term robot was first used in 1923. In 1943, researchers introduced the concept of neural networks. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed the famous Turing test to evaluate machine intelligence. In 1956, John McCarthy officially coined the term artificial intelligence. In 1958, the Lisp programming language was developed for AI research. Later came Eliza, one of the first chatbots. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov, proving that AI could outperform humans in specific tasks. For exams, remember 3 important years: 1950, 1956 and 1997. Slide 6. Intelligent systems and types of intelligence. An intelligent system is a system that can solve problems, store information, learn from experience, and adapt to changes. Examples include chatbots, expert systems, smart meters, digital televisions, and many IoT devices. According to Howard Gardner, intelligence can be categorized into several types, including linguistic, musical, logical, mathematical, spatial, bodily, kinesthetic, interpersonal, and interpersonal intelligence. Understanding these types helps us appreciate the different ways humans and machines process information. Slide 7. Building blocks of intelligence. Intelligence is built upon 3 important components: reasoning, learning, and problem solving. Reasoning helps in making judgments and prediction. It can be inductive, where we move from specific observations to general conclusions, or deductive, where we apply general rules to specific situations. Learning allows systems to acquire new knowledge and improve over time. Problem solving focuses on finding the best solution to achieve a goal. Together, these 3 building blocks form the foundation of intelligent behavior in both humans and machines. Slide 8. Agents and environment. An AI agent is an entity that perceives its environment through sensors, processes information, and takes action through actuators. There are 5 main types of agents. Simple reflex agents respond only to current situations. Model-based agents use internal knowledge about the world. Goal-based agents act to achieve specific goals. Utility-based agents choose actions that provide the best outcome. Learning agents improve their performance through experience. A human uses eyes and ears as sensors and hands as actuators, while a robot may use cameras and motors for the same purpose. Slide 9. Types of AI environments. AI agents operate within different types of environments. A discrete environment has fixed and clearly defined states, while a continuous environment changes smoothly over time. In a fully observable environment, the agent can see everything it needs to know, whereas in a partially observable environment, some information is hidden. Static environments do not change while decisions are being made, while dynamic environments continue changing. We also have single agent and multi-agent environments. Understanding these environment types helps us design intelligent systems more effectively. Slide 10. Chapter revision snapshot. Let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. AI means man-made intelligence that allows machines to think and act intelligently. We studied the 4 approaches of AI, the important milestones in AI history, and the 3 building blocks of intelligence: reasoning, learning, and problem solving. We also learned about agents, their components, and the different types of environments. Remember the example of MYCIN as an expert system for diagnosing blood diseases. These concepts form the core of chapter 1 and are very important for exams. Slide 11. Complete revision snapshot. In this complete revision, we bring together all major concepts of AI. We learned the definition of AI, the Turing test, important historical milestones, types of AI, machine learning categories, intelligent agents, environment classifications, and real-world applications. We also discussed ethical concerns such as bias, privacy, job displacement, deepfakes, and AI safety. This slide is designed to help you revise the entire chapter in just a few minutes before exams or interviews. Slide 12, chapter quiz. Now it's time to test your understanding. Think carefully before answering these questions. Who coined the term artificial intelligence and in which year? What is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? What type of agent uses fixed rules and cannot learn from experience? Why is the real world considered partially observable, dynamic, and stochastic? Finally, what is the alignment problem in AI and why is it important? Take a moment to think before checking the answers. Slide 13. Quiz answers. Let's review the answers. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956. Supervised learning uses labeled data, while unsupervised learning finds patterns without labels. A simple reflex agent follows predefined rules and cannot learn. The real world is partially observable because not all information is available, dynamic because conditions keep changing, and stochastic because outcomes are uncertain. The alignment problem refers to ensuring that advanced AI systems act according to human values and goals. AlphaFold success in predicting protein structures has also opened new possibilities in medicine and drug discovery. Slide 14, conclusion. Congratulations, you have now completed chapter 1 of artificial intelligence. Today you learned that AI is not magic. It is a combination of mathematics, data, algorithms, and engineering. AI is already transforming industries such as healthcare, finance, education, transportation, and robotics. Understanding AI today gives you an advantage for the future. Keep revising these concepts, practice the quiz questions, and get ready for the next chapter. Thank you for learning with Shree Radhe Studies, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning and keep growing.